Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the third and last update for the Roulette pan collab. Next month is going to be the finale, which is super exciting. This project is a huge collab that was started by Rebecca Morgan and Alexi, and of course they are linked down below. I'm so happy to have been able to participate this round. This is the 5th round that they have done, the 3rd round that it's been a collab, but the 1st round that I have been able to participate in. Yes, dear.
Pants.
You want pants?
Yeah, pants.
I'm really happy that this project has been decently successful. I've been able to roll in a new product with each update, and I'm happy to say that trend is continuing. I'm hoping this update is pretty quick, so I'm going to just jump right into the products and I'll do them in the order that they were chosen. So for the Trace Blush Stick, this was for category 10, a unique product. I picked this because the packaging is unique, but also this is the only cream blush I have left in my collection. I will show you close-ups towards the end of the video so you can see my progress on my little lines, but as I always say, I don't have autofocus, but I've been making slow but steady progress on this. I did use it 10 times over the last month. I have not been wearing makeup that often, so I feel really good about that. That means I've used it like probably every second time I've done my makeup on average, I'd say, which, I mean, I probably should be using it every single day, but I just find it a bit of an unnecessary step. Like, I'm using it just because it's in the project, but this isn't something that I find really adds to my makeup, because I put my foundation and my concealer on, I put this on, then powder my face, and by the time my bronzer and stuff is on, you can't even see this, so then I apply a powder blush on top anyways. So I am using it though, so that is good. Category 9, a product from a previous project. I'm not going to linger on this long. The Body Shop Honey Bronzer. I've used this an additional 9 times since the last update. My goal is to hit pan on this. It's not there. It's not there. Category 49, something that is special to you. I chose the Giorgio Armani C perfume because this is the perfume that I wore on my wedding day, and it has similar notes, which is why I chose it, to the perfume I used to wear when Jeremy and I first started dating. We've been together for over 8 years now, so it just like has those scent memories. I have worn this only 3 times over the last month, which isn't good at all. It's just been really hot, and I find this is quite a strong scent. It's a lovely scent, I really love it, but the strong scent mixed with like hot, sweaty body doesn't really appeal to me, so I have been reaching for more body spray type of products versus an actual perfume. But it is a nice reminder having it in this project that I should be wearing it more often. I wasn't even marking it, I just wanted it, set it on my vanity, have it in a project just to remind myself to reach for it, and that has been working, except for this last month. 38, something you are afraid to pan, and for me that is a liquid lipstick. I chose this little mini one. This is from The Balm, and it's Meet Matte Hues in the shade Committed. I was hoping by this update I would have to pull the stopper out, but that doesn't really seem to be the case. I'm wearing this today with a gloss on top, but probably if I use it a couple more times I will have to pull the stopper out because there's just a little bit of product coming out on the wand now. But my goal is to finish this, and I don't know if I can do it. It was only 1.2 mils. I did wear this 4 more times this past month, but we're still trucking on that one. 40, an eyeshadow from a palette you don't reach for often. I chose my ABH Modern Renaissance palette, and I didn't pick a particular shade because I was really missing just pulling out a palette and creating a look from it. I of course used this on my eyes today, and I've just been getting a lot of use out of all of the shades, and I've really been loving doing that. It's definitely looking more This palette is definitely looking more used and abused than I did at the beginning of this project. I don't foresee myself hitting pan in anything in the next month, but I'm okay with that. I haven't, like I said, I haven't been narrowing in on any particular shade, but like almost all of the ones on the top row have good dips in them happening now, and then these three, Raw Sienna, Burnt Orange, and Primavera, I feel like if I really focused in the next month I could hit pan, but I also don't think I'm going to do that just because I'm working on so many eyeshadows. But I have been really liking reaching for this more often. I created 5 looks out of this over this last month. I'm out of breath now from running to get a crying toddler. Okay, lastly, for category 23, a product you aren't sure if you liked. This is the Smashbox Lip Primer, and I did finish this, or it dried out rather on me. I didn't even pull the stopper out, but the last time I went to use this, it was just chunky, dry, and I couldn't do anything to save it. But I did use this for 8 times. Because it dried out so easily, I don't think that I would purchase it. I like a not super dry like painterly, but not super liquidy like the Milani eyeshadow primer. I like something right in the middle. Like the Urban Decay Primer Potion is kind of my sweet spot for an eyeshadow primer. I have oily lids, so I cannot use concealer, and I'm glad to have used this before it completely dried out 8 times, so I can confidently say that I'm not going to repurchase it. Because this is empty, I am going to choose another product to work on for the next month. I don't really have anything that I can finish in the next month, I don't think, but at least have something else to work on and make progress on in my collection. So the spreadsheet I noticed only has 1 to 59, and I actually have 59 in this project, so I'm going to put in the numbers 1 to 48 in the Pretty Random app, and I'm not going to get a repeat number from what I've already worked on. So let's see what number we get this time. We got the number 11. Number 11 is a product you don't like. Okay, I'm going to look through my collection and try and find a product that I don't like that I want to use a lot this next month. Oh boy, okay. Okay, I am not panning something that I really hate. I honestly don't have that many products in my collection that I really don't like, but I have chosen out the Dior Lip Maximizer. This is a little tiny baby size, and I've had it in my collection for a really long time, and I find that the cooling, tingly, like lip plumping effect quite intense on my lips, and I don't really love that. And summer would be the perfect time to try and get use out of this because it is cooling, and I thought maybe I wouldn't hate it as much at this time. I don't really know, this is 2 mils, if I could finish this in a month, but at least like have some visible wear on the packaging, and it would be another non-cruelty free product out of my collection. Like it even smells kind of weirdly minty, but not quite. Is this cheating? I'm not working on any lip glosses right now, and I'm not working on any eyeliners, lip gloss, or foundation in any projects right now, and I really don't want to pan a foundation or eyeliner at this second, so I went with the lip gloss, and I had a really hard time finding one that I really don't like. So this is what I'm going with, although it's not a product that I completely hate. You know, it would have been perfect. That lip gloss I already threw out from the Drop 10 by Summer project. I really did hate that lip gloss, but I threw it in the garbage. Okay. So this is the little lip gloss I am going to work on. I will show you close up, but it's like completely full. I'm now going to jump into showing you close-ups of all of these products so you can hopefully see my progress from last month to now. This is the most frustrating product in this project for me. I just don't understand. I really, truly don't. Do you see how much bronzer I have on today? Maybe you don't because I feel like I'm a little washed out because I'm so close to my lights, or not my lights, I don't have any lights, to my window. But I applied a lot of this and I continue to apply a lot of it, and the pan is eluding me. That is it for my update today. I'm happy to be working on one more product, even though I probably won't finish it off or anything in a month, but who knows. I've been working really hard. Well, I shouldn't say that. I have not been wearing makeup that much, but when I've been really focusing on my project items, and I just haven't been seeing the progress that I need to, so I'm feeling a little bit discouraged with all of the projects I have going on. Once this project ends, maybe I'll feel a little bit better about the amount of products I'm working on, but I've absolutely loved participating in this collab. I love watching everybody else's updates as they are uploaded. It's just been a lot of fun, and thank you to Rebecca and Alexi for allowing us all to join. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!